At the beginning of the year, a few vendors moved out over at Dragonfly Antiques, and this back room became available. Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. It has never been sales floor, but that's okay. I needed it to store junk and prepare it for listing online on Marketplace or getting ready to be put into my booth. So when this came open, I jumped all over it. Of course, I waited till the last minute to get some video of it all cleaned out before I fill it up. The first piece has come, well, actually the second piece, this came through the shop and I picked this up. Look at how freaking cool that is. It's like a lingerie chest. I am so in love with it. And the husband has brought some more stuff. Alrighty, here we are in the new Junk Shack, baby. After being sick quite a bit and just not being able to get up here and work on it, we were able to get a few things. I picked this cool desk up. I think I got such a good deal on it. I think I'm gonna keep it and use it, you know, when I'm filming and working on stuff. Chairs I found on the side of the road. We used in a rental while we were working on it. I've brought a few items up just to kind of get them out of my garage. I have a whole bunch more, and I have big giant plans for back here. It's hard to see, but I have a hope chest over here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this drop leaf. It's really nice, make a great desk, but the leather is in pretty sad shape. I'll have to come up with something. Anyway, this is the update. Almost the end of the month, and I've done nothing with my new space, but something will be coming up soon, especially with this bad boy. Noises back here. Okay, I am at my little spot at the junk store. Just today, I had a guy bring in this little train set, and it was cheap enough that I could afford to buy it and hopefully make some money off of it. He also brought me some of these pictures, and some of these frames are super old, and I only had to pay $2 per frame. And there is an oil painting back here. That's oil. It's very cool. Anyway, I picked these up. I got a guy who comes up here and they call me and I buy his stuff. Same guy I bought that table from, and this killer beautiful desk. I'm gonna do a little bit of organizing maybe, and try to make it a little bit cohesive. I have a lot of things still to put out. So the reason I got this room is because a lot of this junk is in my house and I do not have room for it. But I always am buying junk and I never have room. So they were able to rent this room to me. I got a pretty good deal. I think just because I work here and maybe they like me because, you know, I'm a really good person. Anyway, my goal is to bring boxes of my items in. This is Christmas, of course. I'm storing that stuff back here. But bring the boxes of the stuff in and take it over to one of my tables, open it all up, do a little bit of research, how much I should list something for, wash it, and just use these shelves so that I always have more stuff to put out in my booth. It's taking me a long time to get rolling with this project. I got this, I think, at the beginning of January, maybe February 1st, and I just can't pull myself up here to work on it. Now the weather's getting warm, so hopefully you'll start seeing me back here going through all my stuff and getting ready to sell it. Thank you so much for joining me on this Junk Shack Baby Junk Shack gets her own little junk. Thank you very much for spending your precious time with me today. As with any of my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on the junk side.